Hey everyone, I'm Jordan and welcome back to Peak Adventures for your Carowinds Park Update. We've got a lot of exciting updates to cover, from Scrambler's relocation to construction progress in Camp Snoopy, and even a glimpse into the park's past. Let's get started. Starting off in Thrill Zone, Scrambler is making its big move. The ride centerpiece has already been installed at the former site of Screamweaver, while the rest of the dismantled ride sits behind construction walls, awaiting its move to its new home in the park. Also in Thrill Zone, the limited time Fury 325 block party has officially wrapped up. The stage has been taken down, but the celebration isn't totally over. Banner flags still fly at the ride's entrance, and you can still grab 10th anniversary merchandise and the exclusive Fury 325 IPA at various bar locations throughout the park. Easter weekend brought varied crowds to the park. On Saturday, many attractions saw longer wait times compared to the earlier weeks of the season. High-capacity rides like Fury 325 and Thunderstriker kept lines moving, but lower-capacity roller coasters and flat rides had longer queues throughout the day. Easter Sunday, however, brought relatively light crowds to the park, as many rides were walk-ons. Over in Carolina Harbor, work continues on the upcoming Carolina Harbor Shore Club, which will be a 21 and up swim-up bar. While the pool itself remains out of view, new cabanas have popped up and you can actually spot them from the Copperhead Strike queue. Windseeker still remains closed and has yet to be fully operational this season. It's been seen testing during several visits with maintenance teams on site, but there's still no official word on its reopening. In Camp Snoopy, Snoopy's Racing Railway continues to make major progress. The station roof is now going up, and the roof itself is quite large and visible throughout most of Camp Snoopy. Shingles are also being added to the building structures that the coaster train will pass through once it opens. And as a reminder, the ride is expected to debut around Memorial Day weekend, but no official announcement has been made by Carowinds just yet. Just across the area, rebar work is happening at Charlie Brown's Riverraft Blast, meaning concrete pouring should be coming soon. The boat ride will likely not open at the same time as Snoopy's Racing Railway. Crews in Camp Snoopy have also been busy restoring the previously demolished pathway, laying new pavers, and reshaping the area to fit the new attraction layout. Camp Snoopy's midway games are now all open. The third and final game, Woodstock's Birdbath, is now complete, and a winner is guaranteed every time. Over at the former Nighthawk Site, demolition and dirt moving continues as Carowinds connects the two former bodies of water into a single space. While the area is still drained, we've now gotten a peek at some uncovered park history. Concrete tracks once used by Carolina Sternwheeler have been revealed during excavation, previously buried when Borg Assimilator was installed during the off-season of 2003. It's a rare look into the past, bridging old and new Carowinds. And take a look at this old Google Map aerial view. You can see where the original ride station used to be, in addition to the Sternwheeler itself before it was demolished to make way for a new roller coaster. The last remaining piece of Nighthawk signage is now gone, as the ride safety signage has officially been removed from its post. Taking in the views from the Carolina Sky Tower, we can see continued progress on the demolition of the former Riptorn Rapids ride site. Spring break at Carowinds continues until April 27th, taking place daily at the Harmony Hall patio area. Events like Silent Disco, the Putt-Putt Tournament, and the Spring Break Dance Party are still happening, along with daily meet and greets, lawn games, and more. You can find all the times and event info on the Carowinds website. And that wraps up this week's update. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Peak Adventures for more Carowinds content and park updates. And drop a comment down below and let us know what you're most excited about. Until next time, keep exploring with Peak Adventures.